She heard a very strange sound. Maybe you can help us figure out what that might be.
What is this sound? It sounds like a few piano keys or something. Do you know of anything in the room that could make this sound?
Kindle Fire.
There's no toys or anything in that room that could make that sound.
So you can't explain what this sound is?
Kindle Fire.
No.
There's been a few times, sometimes it'll be a really, really quiet, just one single piano key, but it was really, really faint. I've never heard it that loud before.